Okay, so hi everyone. This side Manno Yadav, and I'm secretary of Sundarbans House. These particular sessions, which is going to be a 3 day session. Okay, so these sessions are being conducted by two houses, Saranda and Sundarbans. Right, we it's a collab event, so collab session. It will be taken by Srinidhi, uh, who has already taken sessions before in the previous terms. He has scored 100 out of 100 in his, when he took Python, right? So he'll help you how to score or to score full marks, right? Even if you know, if you're not that well. Okay, so we'll try our best to give you a level, you know, to let you understand a lot of concepts, to help you with Python things, especially OPP, right? So this is the day one of our session. Tomorrow on the same in the like at 8 p.m. itself, we'll have another session, day two, and on Saturday, because on the very next day, on Sunday, you will have your OPP. So we won't be, we also understand that we are also students like you. So we understand that asking you to join GMeets at 8 p.m. just a day before your OPP will be like what we are doing, right? So on Saturday, which is a day before your OPP, the session will be from 10 a.m. I'll repeat 10 a.m., not p.m. Okay, in the morning, right? So that you will have somewhat 24 hours to prepare for your OPP on your own. Right? Sounds well. So a lot of you are asking, guys, please react. Okay, thumbs up, like this. Let's keep the session a bit interactive. Right? Yeah, fine. Great. Okay, so a lot of you were asking about the recording or where you can find these sessions. So this is the YouTube channel of Sundarbans House, right? And here only you're going to get the recordings. Even if you miss the link, all you need to do is type Sundarbans IITM YouTube channel or somewhat like this, and you may find this YouTube channel, right? At the same time, uh, all you need to do is just go to this live section, okay? Here, live, and when you will press live, you can see two people are watching live stream channel or somewhat like this, and right. So this is the particular session which is happening right now. So once, uh, whenever you want to see this session, the recording of this session, you're free to watch it. Okay, fine. Any question before we start the session? Any small doubt and all? Feel free to ask in the chat. I'll wait for a minute. Okay. So okay, we are about to start. Right. So best wishes to you guys that you score well, 100 out of 100, right? And Srinidhi, the mic is yours, right? From now, yeah, I'll stop speaking. And Srinidhi, who is the speaker of our session, or I should say the instructor of our session, he will explain everything. And uh, thanks, Srinidhi, for taking this session, right? Thanks for your time. Okay, please, Srinidhi.
Okay, so let's get started, guys. So I'm Srinidhi. This is my second time taking such sessions. Uh, Manu already told about me. So let's get started. This is going to be a 3 day session. So the first day we'll start with the more refreshers and the starter problems. Second day we'll focus mainly on collections, that is lists, dictionary sets. I think this is where most of your problems in your OPP will be based on. And finally, last day we'll solve more and more problems and also cover file handling. So that is one short question that you will get in your OPP, right? File handling. So we can solve that on the last day. So is everyone ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready, guys. Okay, Uday has asked, is this session sufficient to pass the OPP? I would say definitely not. You have to do a lot of practice yourself. But the problems that we will solve here will be exactly kind of mirroring the kind of problems that you will get in your OPP yourself. So if you take this as a good starting point, and you can practice more and more and more. And you can definitely not just pass the OPP, you can actually even score 100 on 100. It's not going to be that hard. Okay. So, is there any doubts or do we get started, guys? Okay. Someone's raised a hand.
Hi sir, I'm TLV Chednan. I have
Yeah.
one query. Actually, I'm repeating only OPPE.
Okay.
Due to insufficient time, I have scored just 20 marks in OPPE 1.
Okay.
What is the criteria to pass this course? For what should I do for OPPE 2?
You have to score 40%, I think. That's the criteria.
In any one of the OPPE?
Yes. Yes. Any one of those.
Okay, sir.
So, guys,
And
any doubts except for the main content that we will be doing here? Please keep it for the end of the meet. Okay. So, I guess we are ready. Let's get started. Okay. Okay. Great. Yeah, Manishankar, go ahead.
Sir, I want to ask that is what is the procedure to uh, to sit in the exam? That is, how do we
Uh,
get the link and
Sorry.
how do we do the exam
Yeah.
procedure?
Yeah. So sorry to stop you there. As I said, any questions that are not relating the exact content that we are doing, please keep it for the last 20 minutes. We will cover it there. Is that
Oh,
fine?
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Okay. Okay, fine. So let's get started, guys. So as I said, the main content for today will be more of refresher problems and refresher as well as some starter problems that we will get your basics on. So I hope everyone has done well in their OPP one and you have a good enough background of the OPP two, right? We don't have to go to the bare basics, right? So give me a thumbs up. And whenever I ask something, please give a thumbs up or a thumbs down so I know you're understanding. Okay, great. So the things that we will be covering today, mainly, this will include strings, loops, sorry, yeah, strings, loops. We will not be going over collections. Lists is for tomorrow. Uh, then these are the two main things that we'll get started on, and we'll build on this as we go ahead. Okay, everyone good? Great, great, great. So firstly, let's get started on strings. Okay. So like, do we get started with the question? And I want you guys to solve that. Is that fine? Fine. Okay. Great. 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 Sorry. Just a moment. Okay. So this is the question that we have at hand. Let me solve the first question for you, and later on we will go ahead and you will solve the question while we will discuss the answers. Okay. So we have an example here, and this is the example we have. So can someone just open their mic and explain me what exactly we are supposed to do here?
Sir, we have
Sir, we
to
have to
Okay, okay.
count the vowels in each of the words.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Sir,
Can
we
you?
have to count the number of vowels, sir, in each of the word.
Okay, so is that all we have to do?
yes, sir.
Not exactly.
No,
So
no,
No,
no.
sir.
We
We
also
have
have to
to
discover the
count.
words with the
right,
We have
right, right, exactly. So what we have to do? Firstly, we have to count the number of vowels. Secondly, we have to put it back in the actual string and give the string, right? Okay, is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever we go ahead for the next 3 days, I want you guys to not only understand how to solve a problem, but also understand how to think of a problem. Okay, so this problem, as I said, this has two different steps, right? What is the first step? We have to count the number of vowels in a word. That is a separate problem. The second separate problem is we have to put it back and give the string back, right? Is that right? Is there anything else we have to do?
No, sir.
Okay, great. So let's now focus only on the part one, okay? Part two we will think of later. So how do you count the number of vowels in each word?
Mm.
Someone
So
says,
we assign vowels equal to A, E, I, O, U in capital, both in capital as well as small letters.
okay, great.
So
Then,
first we will
Then
convert
then
these
then
words
okay,
into
guys,
string.
just raise your hand, raise your hand. Whenever you have to answer, please raise your hand. Okay, Manishankar, go ahead.
Sir, I
Last.
think first we will convert, yes sir. Sir, I think first we will convert these words into string, and then after converting the words into string, then we will write that vowels having both the uppercase as well as lowercase.
Okay,
And if the word is having all the uppercase, then we will convert it to lowercase, or if the word has lowercase, then we will convert it to uppercase.
okay. So you know, right? The sentence is something. Okay, let me just give you an example sentence. Okay, this is a sentence. Manishankar, can you tell me how would you do on this one? This exact sentence. What will be your approach?
So first we will write the procedure to convert this sentence into string.
Yeah, how will you do that? Okay, anyone else?
split
Sir,
sentence input
sir,
sentence
Sir,
sentence dot split dot is
string.
split.
split, yes,
Sentence
Yes,
dot
just go ahead.
split dot
Go ahead.
split.
split, yes, sir.
So you want me to go ahead?
Yeah, yeah. You have raised your hand, right?
Yes,
Yes.
I actually raised for a doubt which might end up a solution. Instead of taking the input as a string, can I take the input as a list and then I can split?
Okay, okay. Just
I can use the
suppose we
split
don't have
function.
no. Suppose we don't have the input part. We have to only convert this sentence into the in. We have to do this whole thing on a sentence. Just tell me how would you do that?
So I will take that into a list first. Like this sentence, I can see you have written assigned computer science is amazing to a variable
Yes.
sentence. I will
Yes.
take another variable str equals to sentence dot split. Now that will
Okay.
give me a list. Parallelly, I will also create a list of vowels. V equals to the list of vowels, and I think we should capitalize, like not capitalize, like first things first, we should convert the entire sentence to uppercase. Then it can be easier. The code can be easier.
Okay. Okay. So
No,
what?
then we will lose a little bit of readability.
Okay. So
No, we
whatever
can
I said.
keep it like this. Yes. Okay,
Yeah.
so you continue.
Yeah, yeah. Whatever you said, it's broadly right. So let's go ahead now. Okay. So firstly, we will firstly don't take str because str is a keyword for string. Don't take str. Let's take
Sent
split sentence. Let's make it easier.
sentence dot
Split. Is this right?
uh,
Okay. Let's check. Also, one
Yes.
more thing I would tell you, even when you are doing your OPP, right? Whenever you do a step like this, please try to check your answer every time because you're making sure you're on the right track. So what happens is whenever you do a long problem, say there are 10 steps, You do all the 10 steps, then you're checking your answer and you don't know where the mistake is, right? So I think this is something that would have happened a lot of times and then it is very hard to debug. So that is why whenever you do something, just check your answer once if you are on the right track. Okay. So is this the right way to do it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great, great. Next, we'll have we need a vowels, right? We need a string called vowels.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So someone suggested doing like this.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead. For, let's say,
So can
word.
we define
For
an empty
word,
list?
word, word.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do it one step at a time. Okay. So for word in split sentence,
If
if what?
uh, so it should be there should be two loops. It should be nested loops.
Exactly.
If
So what is this word?
carrying word, carrying word. So
Yeah,
if
yeah. What is
carrying,
this word actually? Computer is a word, science is a word. Every word is a string, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we have to iterate over this string. So for char in
Word.
word,
If
if
care equal to if care involves, yes.
vowels,
Uh, then
then what?
count. We have to count. The count is equal to zero. We have to
Sir,
count
we
number
will
of
I
make
think we can create
to
a
count.
dictionary where the words are the keys and the
Initiate.
values are the vowel numbers.
Actually, we
Yeah,
can
yeah, you're
initiate the
no, no,
count
no.
and then
Guys. Please raise your hands. And whoever suggested dictionary, he's right. But we don't need a dictionary because at the end of the day, we are just printing it back like this, right? So we don't. Dictionary might be an overkill here. Let's do it without it. Let's say count is equal to zero.
count to count plus one.
Count plus is equal to one, and let's just
Second count.
print the count. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And just for readability, I'll print word and the count. Sorry. So what was the mistake here?
So
You have to
actually
take
Print
it
inside
inside
outside.
the
outside.
indexation.
Exactly. So print should be here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this right?
Mm, yes, yes,
Perfect, right? So have we solved the first part?
yes, sir.
So we have solved the first part, right? Now
Yes,
next,
sir.
what do we do? Now what? So this part is solved. What is the next part? You have to put it back in the original string and give back the string, right? Guys, are you understanding? We have to put back the number of the count in the string and we have to give back the string, right? So what we do, we make a new string, say new sentence, and this is going to be an empty string, right? We'll start with an empty string using split. Okay. Okay, so we'll start with an empty string, and instead of printing, what do you want me to do here?
Sir, we have to
Anyone? Yeah.
align the space.
Okay. So let me do
Space
this one for you.
between
Let's say new str uh, word str of count. Is this right?
yes, sir. No, sir.
So new
Actually, we have to
STR,
give the bracket. We have to give the bracket.
new STR, sir. There is new sentence, na?
No, no, no. We are joining the word and the count, right? Am I right?
So we
Yes,
will
Okay.
use
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
parentheses. Quote.
Yeah, we need a parenthesis and we need one more parenthesis here. Is this right? So this is how we wanted it.
Yes, sir.
So that looks like we are on the right track, right?
So it should be in parentheses. Word should be in parentheses. Yeah, count should be in parentheses.
Yep. You can see it here.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, exactly. Some
Sir,
yeah, someone said. Let me just check.
sir,
But sir, we
if
want
sir,
in this
if
only in one line, sir.
Yeah, yeah, we will do that. Someone said new str plus is equal to, that's right. Plus is equal to new str. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is this right? Is this what we wanted?
One space between the what?
Yeah, one space between, right? So we'll just add one here. Okay.
So we can use string formatting.
Yeah, yeah, we will go ahead. We will do that. We will do that. So is this all right? I mean, is the answer right? We have solved the question.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. So looks like that's the answer. So now we can do a lot of changes here. We can do a lot of
Sir,
what we
how
call
did
as
you add the
here.
space between the sentence?
Sorry, Mool, go ahead. Mool
Sir, how
Prakash.
did you add the space between the sentence?
Because that's
sir,
how that's how they expected it, right? That was the output format that was given to
No,
us.
sir. How did you do that?
I just added a space here. That's all I did.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
sir,
Yep.
sir, if we write parentheses inside the string, it will work.
As in
Sir, if we uh, write a parenthesis inside the string, फिर
which string?
parenthesis and
Which string?
प्लस प्लस लाइन 13 प्लस str काउंट पे भर जो parenthesis है and one more parenthesis double.
You mean here?
Yes, sir.
No, right? I mean, what is this count actually? This is a number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, it's a function, exactly. So count is a number. How can you add a parenthesis to a number? This will give an error, right? Let's see what error it gives.
No.
It's a type error. You cannot concatenate a string to an integer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope everyone
Sir,
got what we did till now.
Yes, sir.
sir, can
So,
we use formatted printing?
Sure, sure, definitely. We'll go ahead with that. Okay.
so,
So I hope everyone got it till now, whatever we have done.
so like I had out.
Yep. Go ahead.
Like why are we initializing with empty so like string new sentence? Like why are we initializing it? Like we can simply print that new str thing so we'll get that.
You mean this?
Yeah. Yeah.
How will you take it this? How you will take this then? Oh, you mean you don't need this new STR, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, we can do that. You can just, take this whole thing and put it here. Sorry. And even this will work. I just did this for being a little more explicit so that everyone understands it. Okay,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
got it? Okay,
Yes.
great.
Yes.
So now let's do some changes to this. Firstly, what do we see here? Are we not doing the same thing both the times? It's first it is in the small letters, then it is in the capital letters, right? So can we change this?
Yes, sir.
We will store only the small letters. For someone said we can keep only the capital letters. We can do that, but the more conventional way is to keep only the small letters.
Small letter.
We'll keep only the small letters. Now, okay, I have a question for you guys. Can we do sentence is equal to sentence dot lower here?
So yes, yes, sir.
Can we do this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
you're
sir.
saying it will work perfectly fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll show you what the problem will. So, are we at the right answer?
Yes.
No,
Are
sir.
we at the right answer here?
So no, sir. Sir,
This
sir,
C is
C should be
small,
capital. C
right?
should be
This C is
capital.
small. So we can't do it here.
Yes.
We can't do this here.
Sir, if card dot lower.
Sorry.
No, so we can do it
Sarip,
because all the this letters should be will be in the lowercase, and we can choose vowels from that, so there should be no problem.
Yeah, but how will you have this capital C here? Will you not lose it? Will we not lose this capital C?
No, no, capital C actually. Why will let it lose? Because all the C's will be in the become in the lowercase, and then they will be extracted from the this walls. Oh
Yeah.
yes, oh you know, and okay, yeah,
Okay, okay. I
but
hope.
this other than walls, it will be loose, sir. Other than the walls, it is loose.
Okay, I hope you got it. So let's remove this line. So what we can do? Well, firstly, we are doing for word in split sentence. We can have another word here, new word, or let's call it small word is equal to word dot lower. Can we do this, guys?
Sir,
Are you
we
on this?
sir we
no,
don't
sir.
need that much. Sir, in vowel, sir, we can simply write na in a small a e i o u and also in capital letters a e i o u.
Yeah, yeah, that is what we had done, right? I mean, this is how we were doing it till now.
But the question is about the
Yeah, we are trying to make it smaller. We are trying to make it better. So we'll make
sir.
this
If
small.
we use
Yeah.
sir, if we use in nested loop condition, if card dot load in vowels, then it should work.
Sorry, I didn't get a question.
In the nested loop condition, if card dot lower in vowels, then it should work.
We'll do small word. We'll do char in small word. Okay.
No, sir.
Now it's working. Okay, let me explain it first, and then we'll go over to the doubts. Okay.
Yes, sir, it will work.
So what we did, we took only the small vowels. We took the vowels a, e, i, o in the small in the small. Okay. Then what we do, we took this small word is equal to word dot lower, and we iterate only over this small word. All right. I hope everyone got it. Then why do we actually add this word back? Because we want the original word, right? We need this word in the capital itself. We don't need it small. Okay. Everyone got this? Any doubts?
But the word is not defined.
Word is defined for word in split sentence. This word is still the original word only. Okay.
Sorry, instead of using small word, you can change line type.
Sorry, your voice is not audible. Anyways,
Sir,
so
I am saying, sir, I am saying instead of using small word, I can change line type.
no, sorry, you're not. Your voice is not very good. Someone said we can use sentence dot title here to capitalize the first character of the word. Okay, yes, nice doubt.
But
What
our
if?
characters at the
Yeah, yeah.
first
What if I
line
had something like this? What if I had something like this? No, I can't use word dot
then
capitalize, right? I
it,
mean,
it will not work.
yeah, yeah. In only in our case, it was working because the sentence was like this. But if I had a word like this, if a sentence like this would not work because ideally we should still get something like this. Okay. Yeah, we have to follow the output format exactly. Okay, great. Yes, got it. Okay, so I hope everyone got it till now. What we are doing. So this part is completely optional. You can either do it like this, or you can just keep it as capitals and smalls, and you can keep track of both of them. Both are fine, whichever you're comfortable with. Now let's make this into a formatted string. Someone was asking. So, okay, can someone tell me how to do this? How will we write the f string?
Word in card cases.
Sir, word
Flower bracket.
Flower word,
in small bracket.
small bracket.
and
flower
in a
bracket
middle bracket count.
Count.
and a space. Okay, perfect. Okay, there is one small problem still in this entire thing. Can someone tell me?
Space after amazing.
Exactly, exactly. There is still a space after this, right? So this is the entire sentence. If I just copy this, this is the entire sentence. There's an extra space here, right? Why are we getting it? Because the last word is also printing a space.
So we'll make space between the word and count in this new string format printing statement.
Sorry?
For creating a space,
Yeah.
we will make a space between the word in the F format string. We'll make a space between the word and count.
Word and count like this?
This one.
No, 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 that's not what they have asked, right? They have very clearly said we have this together. We can't give a space
Oh,
there.
okay. Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Sir,
So what?
print new sentence dot strip.
Yeah, we'll do sentence dot r strip. Okay, we'll strip from the right, and now we will get the right way. Perfect. So, you know, everyone got it? Everyone got what we have done? Any doubts?
So what RSTP is doing here?
Okay, can someone tell what r strip does? What is the use of this strip function?
It removes the
Strict the
space
extra
Remove the extra
characters.
space. Extra space.
Right? So what
Returns the
strip does
space not
is,
present in the string.
if you have say a sentence like, okay, now if you just print this sentence, so it will not be visible here, but it is something like this. Can you see the extra spaces?
Yes, sir.
But when you do sentence dot strip, this just removes all the extra spaces. Okay?
No, but in this case, there is no space coming na, so in the line 16 printed statement. So in line printed statement, there is no space is coming between the computer 3 and science, and this is no space. So then how the R strip
Oh,
will
yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you see the space here?
that's it's okay.
Yeah. Even after the last word, we will have a space, right?
Oh, hi there. That's okay.
We
Yes.
don't need a space there.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes. Now at last word we don't need. Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay, great, great. So I hope everyone got
Sir,
it.
we can simply use strip now because in left side there is no space.
I mean, yeah, you can do that. You can use also. It's not a problem. Okay, someone said I explained 14th line again, so let me quickly go over that. So what we are doing is we are using a string formatting method called as fstring. So firstly, anything inside this flower bracket actually becomes a variable. So when you use the variable word here, whatever is in word will come and sit in this place. Okay. So that is how we get this word. Then we have a bracket. Now this is not, just observe that this is not inside the flower bracket. So this will come as it is. This bracket will come as bracket itself. And then we again have a flower bracket and a count. So this count will actually take this count from here. And then we have another bracket and a space. Okay. So this is the format in which we have to give the output. That is why we are using this f string. Okay. Got it? Okay, great, great. So I think that should be it for the first question. Anyone has any doubts? And don't worry, you'll get this. I'll send this collab links, so you'll not miss out on that. Great. So are we clear with this, guys? Okay. I hope you are clear. Can we go to the next question? Okay. So this is a little different. I'll take this question up. Okay. Okay. Write a function count unique even odd takes returns a dictionary count of unique evens and unique odds. Great. So I'll give you guys 5 minutes to solve this, and after that we will discuss the solution. Is that fine? Great, great.
Check WhatsApp for a second.
Sir, completed.
Okay. Uh, Mool Prakash, please go ahead. Sorry, Vaibhav
Sir,
Kumar is first. Okay, please go ahead.
sir, firstly, we take a dictionary.
No, no. Are you telling the answer?
Yes, sir. Step. I
Okay.
am telling
Hold
you step.
hold on. We'll just take a couple more minutes for everyone to finish.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, just wait a couple of minutes for everyone to finish it, and then we can go.
Okay.
Okay. So, anyone who was the first one?
Sir,
Yeah, Vaibhav, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. First, we will create a variable, sir, which is capital L. Okay,
Okay.
sir. We will
Yeah.
take the set of L, set of small l, so
Okay.
that we will keep the unique element, and then we will convert it into list. So we'll write list of set of L.
Okay.
First step. Second, we will take empty list of even list and odd list so that it will store the even numbers and odd number.
Okay. And
Then
then you
I
will
will write,
iterate and find the odds and evens, and then you will return the length of the list, right?
yes, then I will use for loop. Then if L of I percent 2 equals 0, then
Got
we
it, got it,
append.
got it, Vaibhav. Okay. Anyone else?
Sir,
Yeah, go.
firstly
No
we
problem.
take a dictionary empty,
Okay.
फिर फिर for I in list जो है, if I मॉड्यूल टू if even, देन फिर डिट के अंदर हम इवन स्ट्रिंग लेंगे, वो इक्वल में डिट के इवन डॉट गेट 0 1 + 1,
Okay.
एल एल्स फिर सिमिलर इन ओड.
Okay. Anyone else?
सर इट इज राइट.
Yeah, yeah, it is right.
ओके सर.
Okay. Yeah. So let's start the one. So both of you are right. Vaibhav, whatever you said is right, but I think it is a little extra work that we are doing there. Okay. So let's do one thing. Firstly, no, no, okay. Just give me a moment. Firstly, whatever Vaibhav said, we will convert it to list. Sorry, we'll convert it to a set. Okay. And we don't have to convert it back to list, right? We can actually keep it as a set only, and it's not a problem. So what will be there in the set? It's only the
One,
unique.
two, three, four, five, six.
Yeah, it's only the unique elements. So remember one thing: whenever you hear the word unique, what should be the first thing that should come to your mind?
All elements should be only once, should be
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and once only.
Yeah, exactly. So all elements should be one. So
Creating a set of that elements.
exactly. So whenever we think about the word unique, the first thing that should come to our mind is a set. Okay. We have to do something with the set whenever we hear unique. All right. So now we can iterate over this for num in S. We need a dictionary. And should I create it beforehand? Is there a function for unique? Scikit, as far as I know, no. And you don't even need a function because you can just convert it to a set anyways. You can just do list of set if you want. And if you do something like this is same as getting all the unique elements. Okay. Well, okay. So for num in S, we need a dictionary which has two keys even. What is the value?
0.
0. Then we have odd, which is also 0. Okay. For num in S, if num mod 2 double equal to 0, what do we do?
Even.
Increment the even
E-
value.
Even plus is equal to 1. Else,
Odd plus is equal
Equal
to
to
1.
one.
E of odd plus is equal to 1. Print of D. Right? This is all we wanted. And I think E is small, here O is small. Sorry. Okay. So even is 3 times, odd is 4 times. Is it working fine?
Sir,
Yep.
sir, if we take a unique set, then how it it say that count double, just like 2 how it's check.
I sorry, I didn't get your question exactly.
Sir, I ask in Hindi.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Please.
सर सर इसमें जो डबल काउंट कैसे हो रही है सर? दो दो हमने तो सर यूनिक सेट ले लिए, सेटल। तो टू टू डबल काउंट कैसे कर रहा है? जब हमें कैसे पता चल रहा है कि टू दो बार हमने काउंट कर लिया इवन
टू
में?
दो बार काउंट नहीं करना है हमें. That is exactly the point, ना. You have to count only the unique even and unique odd numbers. So you have to count 2, 4, 6, and you have to count 1, 3, 5, 9. You don't have to count odd. Sorry, you don't have to count two twice.
ओके
दो बार
ओके
नहीं करना है उसको. Same with five. एक ही बार करना है. Okay.
ओके ओके सर।
So I hope everyone got this.
Yes.
Suppose instead of just counting, I said list down all the unique numbers and odd numbers. How would you change this?
Could you
So
please
we
repeat?
should emphasize dictionary, which has list.
So, suppose I wanted something like, sorry, how would you make this happen?
So we should initialize a list. Then we should say
So,
for num as a percentage num modulo 2. This the empty the list should append dot the numbers.
okay, so we will do something like, right?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
And we'll do something like this, right?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes sir.
right. Okay, great. And what if we did not need the unique ones?
Set make a set. No,
Uh,
no, we'll keep it a list as is. No, more. Don't make set.
we'll remove this line.
This set we'll remove.
Sorry, yeah, it's supposed to be L, right? Yeah, right. Satyam, I didn't get your question. Can you ask again? Can you like uh, say it on the mic? Then initialize it as where we take it as list. What exactly do you mean? It's not a question, sir. I'm sorry, I'm not understanding what you're saying. Okay. Anyways, let's come back. So I hope everyone got to what we've done.
Sir, I have small question.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
Why double quotes and single quotes does not have any physical difference in Python?
This and this.
Yes, sir.
You know,
While you are giving double quotes again, it is taking a single quotes in the output as again.
it doesn't matter. Okay, Python, it does not care about single quotes and double quotes. The only reason we have both the options are if you have something like A is say, something like this. Something like this. So, if you have a single quote, double quote inside a single quote, or vice versa, a single quote inside a double quote, that's when you will need this single and double quotes. Otherwise, both are exactly the same in Python. It doesn't matter if you are using a single quote or a double quote.
In other languages, with I think there is a difference, right?
Yeah, yeah. In C++, you can have only characters inside. So single, like strings can only be inside double quotes. You can't have something like this. You can have something like this. This is okay. Um, this is not okay. In C++, that's how it works.
Okay, sir.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Discount of odd. I'll get you. Okay, so I hope everyone got this.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
let's
bro, I
change it.
have
Yeah,
I have
yeah, go
posted
ahead.
a code in the chat. It's without using sets.
Mm, which one is it? Cycle. This one?
The latest. Yeah.
Sorry. This one is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's remove the input part. Let's just take a list of yes. You mean something like this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you have not done a set, is it?
No.
Okay, but you still have used dict.keys.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, okay, this doesn't, need it for now, but set is same as dict.keys. Internally, both of them are implemented in the same way.
So
In
is
both of
the is the structure same? Like I think set is immutable.
set is immutable, even dict keys is immutable. You can't change a key, right?
Okay, so
Yes,
if I like use the data type function to return the data type of dig.keys, so it will return
Yeah.
sets.
No, 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 no. It will not return sets. See, that's what I'm trying to say. Internally, both of them are implemented as a data structure called a balanced binary search tree. Okay, you don't worry about that. But internally, they are
Okay,
implemented as a binary search tree. So what happens is both of them have to be unique. So set is all unique. Dig.keys is also all unique, and that is why you can do something like
okay, sir.
dictify and it directly finds it. I'm not sure if it is a binary search tree or a hash map,
Okay, sir.
but either way, even dig.keys is actually just doing the unique part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So technically, you are not using a set, but it is doing the exact same function as a set. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Great. Great. So let's come back. So now we did, this was the easy part, right? Odd even was the easy part. Suppose we had to count how many numbers. Okay, let's say we have to count only the numbers that are not unique. So for example, we have to find how many times there is a 2, how many times there is a 5. At the same time, we don't need 1, we don't need 4, we don't need 3, we don't need 4 and all that. So let me be more explicit. I want the output to be like 2 is equal to 2 times, 5 is equal to 2 times, and this should be my output dictionary. Okay, how would you do this? I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes for this. Yash Patel, what's the use of map function here? What was this?
The
Yash Patel
input
using.
rest.
Okay, okay. So this is just for the input part. Okay. So what it does is it takes an input as a number. It takes the input as a number and then it converts it into an integer. So suppose it takes the input as a string. So suppose you give 4, 4 is taken as a string. So that way you can actually split this. Let me show you this. 1, 2, 3,
It's
4.
basically typecasting.
Yeah, yeah. So you take a string like 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and then you're splitting this. So this becomes a list. This becomes a list, right? List of strings, and for every string in that, we are converting that string to integer. Okay. So map is used to apply a function to every number in the list or every element in the list. Okay, got it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, can you please tell the question you ask us? Can you please show that
Yeah,
slide
sorry, sorry. Yeah.
in which we have to create the code?
Saikat, no, this is not exactly the same as typecasting. I will tell you the difference. Let's finish this question. Okay, so do we get started, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
firstly, Swaroop has the code. So let me just show you that. Okay. Um, so, that is something like. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is technically right, but never use this dot count. What this dot count first checks for this one, and it will run through the entire list and search how many times there is a one. Okay. Then it will look for a two, go through the entire list, see how many times there is a two. Do the same with 3, 4, 5, again for 5, and for 6, and for 9. So what we are essentially doing is, yeah, exactly, highly complex. So what we are essentially doing is, we are searching for this one once, then we are searching for this two again, and then we are searching for this two again. So suppose you have something like, so ideally we should just check for this two once in the entire list and stop, right? Because finding how many times this two has occurred and finding how many times this two has occurred is the same. Am I right?
Yes.
But instead of that, we are doing it over and over and over again, and this is going to have a lot of complexity. So avoid this at any cost. I mean, obviously for OPP Python you can do this, but I would still say do not do that, because this count is actually increasing your overhead a lot. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it the right way. So how we will do this? Okay, can someone tell me?
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
if
So
I
you mean the second question?
I
Yes, the second question.
equivalent to 2, if I equivalent to 2,
Sorry?
sir, if I equivalent to 2, then dict में 2 equal में dict 2 dot get 0 1 plus 1.
No, I didn't get your question.
You cannot take a particular number.
Sir, can we send a code here?
No, no, no. No, no. This is only an example output that I'm giving you. This thing can change how many ever times I want, and I want a code to work for every input. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
Same
don't
thing
I
what I want to do.
tried through the input.
Excuse me, sir. We can
Sorry.
here take the efficacy of each key. We can take the key, initialize the key for each element. Initialize the key in this case, and if the frequency of if the value of the frequency of the each key is more than one, then
Yeah, we can
we
do
can
that.
take
But how
only
do we
we can take only once, or not more. If more than one, then we can discard it.
Okay, okay. We can do that. We can definitely do that. So, yeah, someone can tell me how to firstly add all these numbers to the dictionary. Please raise your hand. Please raise your hands. Okay. Yeah, Hanchika, go ahead.
Sir, we could iterate through the loop, and then if the word is already in the dictionary, we increment the value of that key, like
Okay,
scene
we
of
go
like
for nominal. If num in D, what will you do?
d of like d square bracket num plus equal to 1. We
Oh,
increment the
D of num plus is equal to 1. That's it.
yeah. Else we'll just set it to 1. It says that we did not see it before.
D of num is equal to 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So this solves the first part of the question. How do you solve the second part?
So in this case,
Again,
we can put the limit, in the second case. Okay, if
sorry.
we can put the limit in the second case that if the length the value the frequency of each num is greater than 1, then only we can taken into the consideration.
But how will you know the frequency before going through the loop?
No, no, this one is okay. Then next loop we can take it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll go ahead. We'll do that. We'll do that. Definitely, we'll do that. Okay. So again, okay, these questions are easy. I just don't want you guys to only tell the answer. I want you to understand the approach. So again, we have two different parts, right? Number one, we have to count. We have to count the occurrences. Number two, we have to filter only frequency greater than one, right? Okay.
Yes.
Great. So this is the first loop. Have we solved the first part of the question? This part is solved, right?
Sir, can you once again just show the question?
Yeah. So I've not written the question. We are just going through it anyways.
Sir,
Okay.
please check my code in comment.
Mool Prakash, is it?
Yes, yes, sir.
No, no. Mool Prakash, that's the thing I'm telling you. You are hard coding it only for 2 and 5. The number can be anything, okay? You know, you could have something like this 6 is repeating multiple times. Something like this. How will your code work for this?
Of any other value.
Can we use filter for the second part? You can do that, but that's a better way to do that.
So I have given a code in the chat just now. Can you please
Yeah,
check?
just going through it. Why not init.keys?
Sir, sir, I am not getting what what I did mistake.
Um, Mool Prakash. Okay, can you? Okay, the output for this should be. Can someone tell me? Yeah, let's just run this. Mool Prakash, this should be the output here.
Yes, sir.
Will your code work? So ideally you should
No,
have.
no, no, sir. My code work only for 2 and 5.
Exactly. So that's the thing, right? You can't have a question only with 2 and 5. I mean, the question, this thing can change anytime. The list can
Yes,
be
sir.
changing, and your function should work for anything.
Yes, sir.
Saikar, I think you got the question wrong. This was the previous question. Now what we have to do is we have to count how many times a number is there. Even odd is not there.
No, sir, it's actually two in one. Like both the questions are in this.
Oh, okay, okay.
If you just see above the return di, there's a print dict that prints the count.
Yeah, but again, we have not solved the main question here. You have to only have frequency greater than one. Anyways, let's go to that part.
Okay.
For key comma value in d dot items. I hope everyone knows the syntax. If not, we will go over this more extensively tomorrow. This is just quick. Okay, let's do one thing, guys. Let's stop it at this point here for today. And the other part of the question, we will do it tomorrow, okay? Because that is the main motto of tomorrow. Are we good?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
any
My network was something. There was something issue in network, sir. Can you please repeat again?
Sorry, what did you miss? All I said is this is where we will stop this particular question today. The
Okay.
remaining part of the question we will continue it tomorrow because that is the main motto of tomorrow. That is lists, dictionaries, and sets. Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's go to some other question, followed by the count dictionary. Just give me a moment. Yeah. Okay. This is our next question. And I'll give you 5 minutes for this. Again, I just don't want the answer to this. I also want your approach. How will you approach this question as well as how will you solve this? Okay.
Sir, can you post a sample passage in the chat which we will use?
Sure, sure, sure. Just a moment. Okay. I'll just post the question itself. This is your sample passage.
So, just a question. If I'm checking, if I'm making a character uppercase, if I
Yeah.
use any for loop, so will it harm any of the punctuation marks like full stop, comma?
Don't worry about the
Like,
punctuation marks for now. Let's just consider we have no punctuations. Okay.
okay, sir.
And what was your question exactly? Also,
Sorry,
this is
sir.
the output that you should be getting.
Okay.
Okay. Also, dot upper or dot lower does not make any difference to punctuation marks or numbers.
Excuse me, sir.
Yep.
Sir,
Go
sir,
ahead.
here in the chat box, a string is completely this, or we have to take input like any passage.
No, no, don't worry about input. We can handle input. Just for now, just take a string like this. Okay, just copy this s is equal to all that I've written and work it out on the string. And the second part is your output that I am expecting. Hansika, there's a problem in your program because of which for this particular input it will work, but for every input it will not work. Okay. Web of Kumar, please go ahead.
Yes, sir, I've completed.
Okay, okay. Just 2 more minutes and you can tell the answer.
Sir, I've sent you the code in chat, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Please don't do that. Others are also trying. Okay. Once the time is up, you can do that. Okay, Sarvanan, your answer is right, but I would suggest you go back to the first question and see what we did there. See if you can do the exact same thing here. That would be better. Okay. Who is first?
Sir,
Please raise your
sir,
hands.
sir, I will tell
Okay.
approach, sir.
Yeah, Kaluri, you're right. For I in S dot lower, yeah, that's the change. Okay, who is first? Sakshi, please go ahead.
Approach.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me the
Uh,
approach, not the answer.
sir, I okay, sir. Sir, first of all, we are given a string. Uh, so we try to convert it into list. So we get each character. For example, we get each character in a list, split it, separated with comma. Then
Okay.
we take n equal len of that list.
No, no,
We
no.
create loop,
Hold on, hold
and
on.
then we make condition.
Why do we need a list? Can't we just go with the string and it will still work?
It
For
it
each,
will work too.
yeah, yeah, you don't need
We
a
can
list.
just loop through it and
Yeah, whenever it is,
then create a condition if that equal a e i o u, or we can say that
it
if
vowels,
in vowels,
yes,
if
yes.
the student has initiated it with vowels,
Yeah,
then we can create something string or new list in which we can append by that condition. We should uppercase it if it comes in vowels,
yeah, it's right.
else we simply just append that thing
Okay,
into and then print list, list, and then join.
sure, sure, we can do that. Okay, Saikat, go ahead.
Sir, I will tell you approach, sir.
Just a moment. Saikat also has his hand raised before.
Yes, sir. So we will take the input. We cannot take. We can just like assign it. Then I will create an empty string, and then I will assign a e i o u this string to a v variable, and then I will run a for loop in s, which is the input of
The
the
string, yep.
passage, and then I will take an if I in V, like it will check if that character is in V, and if it is in V, then I will append S2 with I dot upper,
Okay, okay.
and
Yeah, yeah, I
otherwise
got
I
it.
will append S2 with lower, and then I will print S2.
Got it, got it. Mool Prakash, please go ahead.
Sir, firstly, we take जो passage dot strip dot split.
Okay.
Then four word in words, फिर four char in
Okay,
word.
again. Mool Prakash, you don't have to split it. For each
Sir,
word, it is just this does not actually even matter. For each word does not even matter. You can just do it for the sentence itself. For our last one, Vaibhav, please go ahead.
Sir, I was saying that first of all, I've taken the input, then
Sorry?
I,
Yeah.
sir, I was saying that I have taken the input, sir, text equal to input,
Hmm.
then I have assigned the vowel,
Yeah.
Then I've written new string, which is empty string.
Yeah.
Then for character in text, for ch in text, and
Okay.
if ch in vowels, then new string will be equal to plus equal to character dot upper, else new s plus equal to character. Then we will print new string.
We will
This
print the
one.
new string. Okay, got it. Yep, it is right. So let's quickly do that. So what was the question? Yeah. Sorry. This is the input. So most of you are suggesting something like, firstly we have a vowels. Okay, first we have a vowels. We have a new string called result. Someone suggested this for CHN result. If what is this? CH dot lower in vowels. What do we do?
So why do we need to do ch dot lower?
Okay, let's remove that part. If CH is in vowels, what do you do?
We will just append the second string
Result
with the capital of like upper of the
CH
what should
dot
we say?
upper,
I.
else result plus is equal to CH dot lower, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Finally, print result. Did we get the right answer?
Yes, sir.
I think no. I think no. No, no. We have. What I did in my code, vowels equals to small a e i o u and capital A E I O U as well.
We
So
don't need
if you are
to
not,
assign capital.
Okay, yeah, yeah, you are right. Sorry, I had a mistake there. Okay, you don't need the capital at all. You don't need this, right? Do you need this?
yeah, we do. I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
No, no, no. Why?
No, right? I mean,
Also
we
in
have
uppercase.
to convert the vowels to up. Yeah, we have to convert the vowels to upper. Otherwise, it stays as it is. Am I right?
so it's
What?
written convert all vowels to uppercase.
So what if I have a vowel like this?
Yeah, then it will remain at uppercase.
Yeah, so
It
does it
will
matter
remain
to us?
same.
Okay, let's
No, no.
try.
Yeah, it actually doesn't matter. Yes.
Where is it? See, it became a
Sir,
smaller one.
sir, it's matter.
Wait, it becomes smaller
Why did it become small?
because ch in
Sir,
Because
vowels
if
that
condition
character
is
is
not
equal to
follow.
false. That
exactly
Yes,
character
sir,
is
this
equal
if
to
became
condition is
false
false.
not
or
follow.
else. Yeah.
This became false. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have two. I'll show you 2 to 3 ways to change
Sir,
it.
ch dot lower if we
Yeah.
use.
Firstly, we can do this ch dot lower in vowels. Result plus is equal to ch dot upper. We can do this definitely. Another
Yes,
way we
fine,
can
sir.
do it, we do it s is equal to s dot lower. I would still say this is the most ideal way to do it. Just convert it once and for all in the starting, so you have no confusion for the rest of your program. Okay,
Okay.
is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
But there's an even better way. Okay, yeah. Um, so this is one way we can either convert it at the beginning or we can do it dot lower here. Also, there's one more way we could have done this. We just make it ch is equal to. Let me just show it in a different block. Mm, s is equal to s dot lower. Suppose I was told. Suppose I was told convert all vowels to uppercase and all other characters stay as it is. Okay. Suppose that was the question. if I have something like this, I want it as it is. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, is this clear? Did you guys get the question? So all vowels become in the uppercase and all other characters stay as they are. Okay? Yeah, okay. So if that is the question, then what you do, we don't need this s dot lower in the first place. We'll have these vowels, a small a, e, i, o, u. Result is an empty string. For character in
I think the answer will remain same.
no, 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 no. So what happens is, so the output, I'll show you the output and you will understand what is the difference. But for character in S, if character is in vowels, then I convert it to an uppercase. Otherwise, what do I do?
Directly we add the character.
Right? Else result plus is equal to ch. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So instead of doing this whole thing, what we can do, if character is in is in vowels, we do character ch is equal to ch dot upper. Okay. If character is in vowels, we do ch is equal to ch dot upper and we do result plus is equal to ch. Can we do this?
So it should be inside if, right?
Uh, okay.
Oh, no, 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 my bad.
Do we need an else? Do we need an else?
No, no.
So this is the most elegant way to do it. If this question is twisted a little bit, why is this the most elegant? Because you are making the code more readable. You don't even need an S. Whenever you have a vowel that is in lowercase, you convert it to uppercase. Every
Sir,
other
I have a doubt, sir.
condition, you just add it as it is. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, my doubt is in the question said that only vowel convert into uppercase, but
Yeah.
other in the lower case. If except vowel on one consonant in uppercase, then it is also written
Sorry. So
also
that is the
written in
thing, right?
upper.
Sir, what about W, sir? It is in capital letter, na? Starting W.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Na? This code was working whenever this code is working whenever you need all other characters to lowercase. Now I just twisted the question a little bit that you don't need all your all your other elements in lowercase. All your other elements stay as it is. Only your vowels get uppercase. Okay.
Okay, sir, then it is fine.
Yeah.
Okay,
In
sir.
this case,
Got
this
it, sir.
code will work. Okay. Everyone got
Yes,
it?
sir, yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect.
Sir,
Mool Prakash, please go ahead. Just before that, just a moment. Yash Patel said something like, if CH in vowel, can we use S dot replace I comma I dot upper? You can do that. Um, okay, so what? Okay, can I remove this? If so, what Yash Patel is saying is we don't need this results at all. If CH in vowels, if CH in vowel, can we do S dot replace? Yash Patel, am I right? Is this what you wanted? Okay, I guess this is what he was expecting. So yeah. This is what he was expecting. So again, you can do this. I think your answer will also be right. Nope. All okay. Why is it all not? So not in uppercase. It's not lower. No, okay, I don't know why this is not in the upper. This should have converted it, but the problem here again is whenever you're okay. Sorry, you have to do s is equal to s dot replace. Yeah. So the problem here again when this replace actually goes through every element in the string. and every time it will convert it. Are you getting my point? Guys, please give a thumbs up if you understand. Okay. Yeah, he got a thumbs down, I guess. Okay, let me explain it again, Yash. So what this does is, this is your entire string, right? So firstly, it sees a W. This goes through the entire string and searches for every W and converts that to lowercase. So suppose you got this I, then it goes through the entire string, searches for every I and converts that to uppercase. Replaces the small I with the capital I. Okay. It does the same with A as with E. It does the same with A. It does the same with the next A also, and it does the same with the next A also. This is the problem here. Okay. Now, suppose you had to go with this replace approach, what you could do? Can someone explain this whole thing with the replace approach?
I think injured.
Sorry?
You're injured.
No, no. So, one more way we could solve this is for vowel in vowels, s dot replace vowel comma vowel dot upper. Is this fine? Will this work? So this is for my second question, by the way. If you have to keep all other things as it is, will this work, guys? Thumbs up, thumbs down, something, please. Okay. So again, this will also work. You can convert for vowel in vowels if whenever you firstly go through the string, search an A, convert it to a capital A, go through the string, find an E, convert it to capital E, and you can do this. But I would still suggest don't go with this approach because this will only confuse you more. Instead, just stick with what we have. If ch dot lower in vowels, result plus is equal to ch dot upper, else result plus is equal to ch dot lower. Simple. Okay. Also, I would suggest keep this lower here. S is equal to s dot lower, so that you can just do this. Okay. Convert everything to small first. Okay. Convert everything to lowercase first. Then, if you find a vowel, convert it to uppercase. Okay. Got it? So give me a thumbs up if everyone got this.
Sir,
Great, great, nice. Yep, go ahead. Mool Prakash, yeah, please go ahead.
sir, if we convert first passage to split, then how will do the code?
You want to split it?
Yes, sir. So
No,
how will work?
why would you split this? I mean, you can split this. Yes, not split. This will just convert everything to a list, right? Why do you want to convert it to a list? You don't have to do something different for every word, right? I mean, you have to only do it for the entire paragraph at once. So don't split this. Okay?
Yes, sir. So firstly, I
Uh,
I split it and then convert to at the end in string. Don't join
Yeah,
method.
I mean, you can do that, but you're just doing extra work now. Yeah, there's no point in doing that.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
I asked because I get this approach first. Okay, sir. I understood.
Got it? Okay.
Sir, I have a
Yes, sir.
doubt.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Sir, if this question said to take input the multiple lines and do the same, then what will the code?
Multiple lines as in? You mean something like this?
Yes, sir.
Like this?
Yes, sir. Separate with dot.
Why will it make a difference? But you can run the exact same code, right? I mean, that does not matter to you if it is multiple lines or not.
No, sir. I am saying that Take that my name is Sarup. This is a line, and I am doing Python another line. Then what will the code?
No, I didn't get
Now
your
how to
question
take
again.
input? How to take input?
Oh, okay, okay. You are
So my
input handling, is it? We'll get to input handling
yes,
next.
yes, sir.
That is the next thing. Okay. So I hope everyone got this. Can someone explain this question again? What we did here? Just raise your hands. New question. We'll go to new question cycle. Yeah, Sakshi, please go ahead.
Sir, just one second. Oh, sir, can you show the complete code by little? I am taking class on mobile. Sorry, sir.
Sure, sure, sure.
Sir, first we create a empty string. As per the question, we have to count the number of vowels.
Okay.
And then we initiate it with vowels A, I, or U, and then we take sentence. It can be anything. We just split it. Here we use split with it just converted into the list with separated with commas. It converted into computer comma science comma is comma amazing,
Okay.
and then for each word we create a loop, and then we initiate it with the small word equal word dot lower. We just every word for every word we convert it into the lower. If there is anything uppercase letter, we just convert it into the lower,
Okay, okay.
and
Just
then we initiate count
tell
for
me one
every
thing.
character in that
Hold
particular.
on, hold on, hold on. Why can't we, why do we need this small word? Can't we just do word is equal to word dot lower? What will be the problem here?
So then we how can we take new word? It would be confusing.
No, but okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Finish your
And
question.
for every word, suppose we the first word we are taking is computer. For every character in small word like C, comma O, comma we are iterating through every character.
Yeah,
If that character is vowels, we are increasing the count, and then we are formatting as per our requirement.
got it.
We are making it into like a format what we want. That would also be a string,
Got
and
it.
then for every word count we are just doing vowel count,
Okay.
at last removing all the extra brackets by strip.
Removing the extra spaces, right? Okay, great. So also I had one
Oh,
more
sorry, extra
doubt here.
spaces.
Can someone tell me why we are not doing this word is equal to word dot lower? Can someone explain this
Sir,
part?
first we
Why are
find
we?
word now.
No. So
First
the
we
thing
get
is,
word through the split
Sir, if
sentence.
yeah,
sir,
someone was.
if we do this thing, then in the first order the C is the upper, but here we convert
Exactly.
the also in lower,
Exactly. You
so
need
we
this C
don't
as
get
it is, right?
this.
So you will lose this C capital otherwise, right? Okay, guys, if this is confusing for you, let's just remove this part completely and we'll do char dot lower, okay? Is this simpler?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll just stick with this. Let's not go with multiple definitions of word, okay? Everyone got this?
Sir, can you please explain the reason? Don't good actually hear
Oh,
that sound.
okay. I'll actually show you and you'll understand better what will happen. So suppose you don't have this another small word. Did you see the difference? This C was in capitals. This I think Z was in capitals. NG was in capitals. But what you did now, you just put it back to the same word. So you reinitialized it to a lower word, right? So this actual capital word, this capital C and this capital Z, capital NG are lost forever. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sakshi, did you get it? Okay. What do you see in the output here? Is
No, sir. Sorry, please.
this C was supposed to be in capitals? Did it become small? Okay, this C was in capitals, right? In our actual sentence, this C was capital, but it became small. Why? Because we converted this word to word dot lower. Okay, so this capital C, COMPUTER became small c. Okay, and we had this word back. And for Karen word, if we have it in we do this entire thing. But when we are inserting this word back, now we are inserting word dot lower back instead of just the word. Okay, so this is the problem with this approach. That is why we had this small word. But if this is confusing, I would still suggest go with this. If Karen word, uh, if char dot lower in vowels, count plus is equal to 1. Okay, everyone got this? Give me a thumbs up. Perfect, perfect. So this was the first question. Can someone explain the second? Other than Sakshi, please. Also, some people were asking number of lines as input. Yes, we will go ahead with that also. That is the part that is left today. Can someone explain the second question, guys? Quickly. Anyone just raise a hand?
Sir,
Yeah.
at first we take a list, then
Okay.
we convert the list to set to get unique element,
Yep.
and then we create a dictionary in this format event keys and odd keys. Then we get a for loop,
Hmm.
and in this for loop we pass the condition that number modulus to equal to get this event. If this is num is event, then in key we append the number
Hmm. Okay, got it.
and then print the dictionary.
Great, great, great. So let's go to the third one quickly. Uppercase vowels.
See, I have a question, if it's all right to ask.
Yeah. Go ahead.
See, uh, there's a standard format in which we write for word in sentence, for character in word. I mean, I have checked. There is
Yeah.
no, this is not a, what do you call it? Yeah, well, it's a word like in, for say for example, the inherent words within Python. So how does Python see?
Yeah. Keywords.
I attempted this question saying for I in range ln of a and all those kinds of things, and
Okay.
boiled it down to index and then solved it. I am failing to understand how can Python interpret for word in sentence or for character in sentence. How does that? I mean, is this inbuilt into it or something other form?
This in yes, this is inbuilt.
Word and char. That is how, because when you convert it to I and give it an integer kind of thing and then solve it, even then we can solve it. But then this is a better and easier way.
Yeah,
But
yeah. This is obviously better. See, there are two ways to iterate over a list. Suppose you have L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. There are two ways. Either you can do for I in range of len of L.
right,
Either you can do this, or you can do for I in L. Okay, both of them do the exact same thing except for I in range of len of L, you actually get the indices. If you do
right.
print of I, and for I in L, you get the value itself. Okay,
Okay. So one is for index and the other one is for value.
value, yes. The first one you got all the indices, the second one you got all the values. Got it?
Correct. Thank you.
Now
Thanks for
suppose you
Sir,
want, just a moment. Suppose you want both the index and the value. There
Hmm.
is one more that says index comma val in enumerate of L. Okay.
Okay.
Index is equal to value is equal to val. Got it? Let's remove these two. So index 0 value 1, index 1 value 2, index 2 value 3, index 3 value 4. This is one more way of doing it. Enumerate. Okay, you get both the index and the value. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, great.
It gives you pairs, right? Enumerate.
Yeah, it gives you a tuple. So,
Mhm.
if I just do IND, I'm not sure if this will work. Yeah, see, index value, like that. Okay,
Okay.
great. So let's go back. Okay, someone quickly answer this and we'll go to the handling part. Please explain enumerate again. Tanvir, we'll go over that more deeply tomorrow when we are doing the lists and dictionaries part. Will questions on file handling be asked in OPP2? Definitely. One question is not even almost, it is confirmed from file handling. Okay. Someone explain this, please. Quickly raise your hands and explain this also.
Sir,
Prakash, please go ahead.
sir, here we taking a passage and we converted into the lower
Okay.
and फिर we go through each character in S. If that character in vowel, then we append re- result में ch character dot append. Else result में append कर रहे directly character print result.
Got it. Got it. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay. Everyone got this? Sakshi has raised her hand. Please go ahead. Is there anything?
Sir, I was asking about the rotating list question. I don't know how to do that. If you have
Uh,
time after the class, after 10, please
sure,
discuss
sure.
question.
Okay, okay. We'll not do it right now. We'll do it later. And tomorrow we will definitely go over these questions. Okay. I hope everyone got it till here.
No problem, sir.
Yeah. Week 1 to 8. I think yes. Yeah, multi-line input, Umesh will go over that now. Now, one of the major things you have is input handling, right? So, sir, can someone give me an example how this looks like? Please raise your hands and give an example of how this looks like. Input handling. Yes, actually, multi-line inputs.
Sir, in multiple line, generally we are given ask in first line we have to take integer input.
Okay.
In generally questions, and then we create colon 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 uh, and then whatever ask is right, like string tens which is in string, we try to
Okay.
write what is explained in question majorly.
So it looks something like line 1 is equal to n number of integers. Line 2.
Number of lines.
Sorry, the number of lines. Okay. Line 2 is L.
And then colon colon colon.
No, no, no. Something like this, right? Just give me a moment. Let me
So
finish. Uh, list of space separated integers. and line 3 is M, list of space separated integers, and line 4, or rather let's stop it here. Have you seen question like this? And you suppose you have to find common elements in L and M. Have you seen something like this, guys? A question like this, multi-line input. Exactly. So how do we take this? Well, we go it one by one. Okay. So the first thing we have to do, suppose we have to take this number of lines as an input. So n is equal to int of input, right? Okay. Yep. There should be a passage from second line onwards, as in. Yeah, definitely. You can have a passage also. You can have a sentence also. That is fine. I'm just giving you an example how it will look like. So the first line will be n, that is the number of lines in the input. Second will be say two. Say suppose n is equal to 2. Then okay, can someone actually copy paste a question? I think a lot of people are getting confused here. And meanwhile, just one of you just go and find a question for this. Meanwhile, I'll just explain this part. Okay, so first line is n, the number of lines in the input, or let's say that's line two to n is a list of integers. I think this is more commonly seen. First line is n, the number of lines in the input, and the next n minus 1 lines is the list of next n lines is the integers, number of integers, right? So let's say n is equal to 5. So next 5 lines will be a list of integers, right? So how do you handle this? Firstly, we take this n is equal to int input.
Sir, for I in range.
Yeah, for I in range.
N, sir.
Range function, yes. For I in range n, let's say num is equal to I input, and we'll just print the num. Okay.
Sir, I have given the question in the chat.
You have given a question? Okay. So the IO type questions. Let me just copy paste this. Okay. Swap every 2 consecutive lines. Reverse every odd numbered line. This is an IO type question. Okay, great. So let's do this. Now, firstly, you are given an n, right? Is this right? So the best way, according to me, to do this is first take the input, save everything in a list. Okay. So for say sentence in range, sorry, for I in range of n, can someone tell me how we will do this? Next step, we'll take sentence is equal to input. Yeah, we take an input. Next, what do we do? L dot append of sentence, print of L. Okay, let's say 5 lines. Got it? Everybody got this? First we take an input. First we take an input, that is the number of lines. Then we have an empty list, and for I in range n, sentence is equal to input L dot append sentence. We put everything into a single list, and finally we print that list. Neha, please go ahead. Neha, you raised your hand.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can
Yeah.
simply write this code n is equals to int of input. Then in the second line we can write lines is equals to input for dash in range of n. It is correct or not?
You mean here? This?
No, sir. Sir, in this code, I need only the first line n is equals to int of input. And the second line we can
Yeah.
write line is equals to input for dash in range of n. Only two lines are there.
Oh, okay, okay. You are doing something like this. Got it.
Sir, he's talking about list comprehension.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're
Comprehension.
doing something like this.
Sir, I am talking about list comprehension.
Uh, Input for dash in range of n, and you want to print L like this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely you can do this. You can do this. Only thing is, this is a lot more readable. I think list comprehension, you can do this once you are very good at programming. You should, in fact, do list comprehension. But I would still prefer this for the beginning, because you can get very very confused with this part. It's almost impossible to understand what is happening here. So for anyone who doesn't understand, this code, and this code is doing exactly the same thing. We take an input, we run a for loop first, we take an input, we take this input and put it into the list immediately. Instead of going through this long 3 to 4 line code, we are doing it in one line. And this is a good way to do it once you have actually learned everything. But the thing is, Neha, one more thing that will change. Suppose you are not supposed to just append this to, you are not supposed to just append it into a list. Instead, you had some more processing to do. For example, you had to count the number of, suppose I change this question and I tell you count the number of lines in this, number of words in this particular sentence. How will you do that?
Then we can apply the iterator.
Sorry?
Sir, then we can apply the iterator for line.
How will you do that? Can you do it with list comprehension? No, no, right? I mean, suppose you were told you have to say there's 3 lines. Okay. So instead of just this, you were actually supposed to find the number of words. So A is a word, B is a word, C is a word. All these, this has 3 words, this has 2 words. You were actually supposed to count the number of words in each sentence. How would you do that? Using list comprehension, can you do this?
No, sir.
Technically, you still can. I will just show you a code for doing that. And this code does exactly that, okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
But just tell me, just by looking, which one is easier to understand? This first one or the second one?
The first one.
The first one, right? This is the reason we will, at least for now, we will go ahead with this only. Let's not go to list comprehension for this exact reason. I think if you have seen the answers in IITM portal also, I think most of them would have used this list comprehension, right? everything would have been done in one line. Am I right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So in that portal, you'll see a lot of answers done in one line, but please don't make it a habit yet because you can get very confused with that. Go with this. This is easier. Two to three lines of extra code, but you this is a lot more explicit and easier to understand. Okay. I mean, technically, you're still right. Got it? So this is how we process multi-line inputs. Everybody got this? Perfect, perfect. Longest common substring. Cycle, is this part of your OPP syllabus? I don't think so. This is
I don't know. I don't know about OPP. I am in the first term.
okay, okay. This is definitely not a part of your OPP syllabus because this is something that you will study later in a subject called PDSA. You have it in your diploma level. These things you will learn there. For now, don't bother too much.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I hope everyone got what we did today till now. Any more questions regarding this input handling? You can have one more type of input handling where you are given lists. Okay. So suppose you are given input format. L is a list of space separated integers. Have you seen this? Pretty sure you would have seen this. L is a list of space separated integers, and you have to process this L. Suppose, let's take it, let us take a simple one. Find the sum of elements. Okay. I'm pretty sure you would have seen something like this. Can someone tell me how we'll process this L? Okay, I think this is one of the questions he asked. Who asked this? Um, I think Sarvanan asked this, where we have to do list of in map and all that. So let me quickly show you. So for first we have this L input. Okay. Let's take L. Got it? First we take this input. Now we need this as integers. Now firstly we need this separated, right? We need 1, 2, 3 and 1 separated. L is equal to L dot split, or let's take S and L is equal to S dot split. Let's check. So did we get this separately? Guys, please thumbs up, thumbs down, anything. Okay, so we had this input, we had a string as an input, we split it, and we have a list of strings, right? So we need this as a list of integers. So what do we do? For I in L, for I in range of len of L of I is equal to integer of L of I. Is this right? Do we convert everything into string now? Sorry, integers now? Okay. Perfect. We are getting it as integers. This is exactly how you have to process a list of space separated integers. Now what you will commonly see is something like L is equal to list of map of int comma input dot split. Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This code is doing exactly what this code is doing. Okay. There is absolutely no difference. I can show it to you. list of integers, list of integers, right? So now if you are more new to this entire programming thing, if you're new to Python, don't worry, don't even bother to think about this. You can absolutely do this. For whoever is curious, what we are essentially doing is first we are taking this input, we are splitting this into, we are splitting this based on spaces. So because we are given it a space separated, we are splitting it based on spaces. Then we are using a map function and we are mapping each. So this is actually giving a list, right? Input dot split actually gives a list of strings. Each of the string is actually a number. So now what this map is doing is this is mapping the function integer. The function integer as in each element of this list becomes an integer. So we are using this map. What this returns, this map returns a map object, and then we are converting this map into a list. Okay. Essentially exactly what we are doing here. This is exactly what we are doing here. There is absolutely,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, go ahead.
Sir, in the code, the map code, can you please show how a mapping is done here by taking one by one element?
Okay,
How
okay.
mapping is done?
Okay, you want this one by one? This is what you're doing here, right? You are taking,
I just want to get,
sorry, sorry.
sir,
Can
in
you,
this last code you explained, sorry.
this part,
Line
right?
61.
This part, right?
Yes,
You're
sir.
asking what this map does. See,
Yes, sir.
essentially, what this map is doing is exactly what this loop is doing. It goes through every element of L. I mean, it goes through every index of L, and it applies this function called int to this element. Okay. So, for example, you have 1, 2, 3, 1. This is a suppose. Let's remove this. Show you this. Okay. Suppose you have this 1, 2, 3, 1. First, it goes through this 1, converts it into an integer. Then it goes through this 2, converts this into an integer. Okay. Recursion is not part of OPP syllabus. Okay. Then it goes through this 3, converts it into an integer. Finally, it goes to this 1, converts that into an integer. This is what map essentially does. Okay. So this entire one line code is exactly what we are doing here. Just we are doing it a little more explicitly, because if you don't understand all this, don't bother too much with all this. You don't need to know map for now. It's good to know, but if you're getting very confused with it, at least for the OPP, you have just 2 3 days left. So don't bother yourself with this map function or this. Sorry, this is supposed to be int of input of split. Don't bother yourself too much. This is exactly what we are doing in this. So to summarize, what you do, you take an input, you split that because it is given that it is space separated. Suppose it was comma separated. Suppose we were told that comma separated integers, then we'll split this based on a comma. For I in range of len of L, that is, we go through every index of L, we convert that in the element at that index to an integer, and finally we just print that. Sorry. And finally we just print this list. Okay, everyone got it? Sir, which function did you mention for longest common substring? Saikat, I did not mention any function because that is definitely not part of your OPP thing for now. Yeah. So I hope everyone got the input part, input handling, how we do that. Any doubts in that, guys? Any doubts particularly in that?
No, so you mentioned like some we will learn something in the diploma course.
Yeah, it's a PDSA course, Data Structures and Algorithms using Python. That's the course.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you will learn everything there.
Sir,
Uh,
I have an query.
just a moment, Sakshi. Can you give me a question on that paragraph multi-line? Okay, and meanwhile you can go ahead. Swaroop, you can go ahead.
Sir, my query is that in my previous OP,
Yeah.
all public test cases were passed, but not of all my private test cases.
Okay.
How
So
to handle that?
will we practice any other question today? I guess that's the end. No, no more questions. I got. How to handle that, Swaroop? Well, what you might be doing is you were kind of hard coding every question, every answer to your questions, right? So
Yes,
always
sir.
whenever you're going through an OPP, whenever your private test cases are failing, the reason for that primarily is because something called as edge cases. Okay, edge cases. What are edge cases? For example, you are given, yeah, yes, just a moment. Suppose you are given, let's say you are given a list of integers, and you are given a number k, and you have to divide every number in the list by k. Did you get the question?
Yes,
Sort
sir.
of the question. So how would you do this? Suppose you are given this list, L is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, k is equal to 2. What you have to essentially do is for I in L, print L, sorry, print, let's see, for num in L, print num divided by k. Okay, this is what was asked. Swaroop,
Divide it. Yes, sir.
this is the question that was asked. Now, is our code right? Will it always work?
Yes, sir.
Will it always work?
No, sir.
Why will it not work?
Sir, it give a float type.
No, no, no. And I am okay with float. Okay, my answer should be in float only.
Okay.
So, is my function right? Is my whole code right? Is there any mistake? Yash
No, sir.
Patel. Okay, Yash Patel, can you tell what is the problem? Shivam, I will share this collab. Yes, definitely. Exactly. Someone said k is equal to 0. Exactly. So the problem is, what if I give k is equal to 0 and then I get 0 division error?
Yes.
This is something called as an edge case. Okay. So this was a very simple example, but this is something you will always get. So always have a look at constraints. If they have explicitly given k is greater than or equal to 1, then you are safe. But if they have not given anything like that, k can be equal to 0. So what you have to do is, suppose we make this whole thing a function. No, recursion is not part of OPPE2 syllabus. Uh, Dev of L comma k. Suppose we make it a function, then if k is equal to 0, return L. Okay. If k is 0, then return the list as it is. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is something called as an edge case. You can, so basically they will never show you this edge case in your public test cases. They will always show you this edge case in your private test cases. You will always have this hidden somewhere, and that is why you might have your private test cases failing. Are you getting it? Especially if you miss out on, say, there are 5 private test cases and you miss out on only one private test case, then this is the primary cause. There is always an edge case hidden somewhere, and you might be missing that. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. What's the proper way of solving this? Just a moment. Also, if you're missing out on a lot of private test cases and you are solving all the public test cases, that means you are somewhere hard coding it. Why should we return L? Shreya, that was only an example I gave. So, it's not a compulsion. You can even return zero. But I'm just giving you an example that you have to return L so that it's not an error. At the same time, if you're getting a lot of private test cases failed, then that means there is some mistake in your code itself. If your public test case is passing, that means your code is hard coded only for your public test cases. But when you go to the private test cases, they are failing. So then look for any place where you have set things like things that are not dynamic, that are not changing, that are static. Okay. I hope everyone got it. Okay. What's the proper way of solving this after speeding it? Yash Patel, which is the question? Can you tell the question? Okay, guys, this will be the end of the class today. I'll stop the recording, and any more doubts you can ask, or you're free to leave. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.